If you use Evernote and need to save attachments from a note, this video is going to walk you through the easiest way to do it, step by step. Whether your note has PDFs, images, documents, or other files attached, you can download them directly to your computer in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides, just like this one. Let's get started. First, open the Evernote desktop app and find the note that contains the attachment you want to save. This works best in the desktop version because the file options are usually easier to access there than on mobile or in the browser. Once you open the note, scroll through the note body and locate the file attachment. Attachments in Evernote are usually shown as a file preview, icon, or embedded file block. If you're looking at an image, PDF, or document, hover your mouse over the attachment. In many cases, you'll see a small download arrow icon appear. That arrow is one of the quickest ways to save the file. Click the download arrow icon, and Evernote will let you download the attachment right away. If you don't see the arrow, don't worry. There is another simple option you can use. Right-click directly on the attachment. A menu should appear with options such as Save to Downloads or Save Attachments. Select the Save option that appears on your screen. Depending on the version of Evernote you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to export that file from the note and save it locally on your device. After you click Save, your computer may ask you where you want to store the file. Choose the destination folder you want to use, such as Downloads, Desktop, or a custom folder you've created for Evernote files. Then click Save one more time to confirm. Once the download is complete, you can open the file from your computer just like any other attachment. If it was a PDF, you can view it in your PDF reader. If it was an image or document, you can open it in the appropriate app and continue working with it from there. A quick tip: if your note contains multiple attachments, you may need to repeat the same process for each file individually. Hover, click the download icon, or right-click and choose Save. It only takes a few seconds per file, and it's the best way to make sure you're saving exactly what you need. Another helpful tip is to make sure you're using the latest version of Evernote Desktop. Interface options can change slightly between updates, so if you don't see the exact button I'm mentioning, look for a similar download or save option in the attachment menu. So to recap, open the note, find the attachment, click the download arrow or right-click and choose Save Attachments, then pick a folder and save the file to your computer. That's all there is to it. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Evernote tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.